Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the SUNAVO hot plates for cooking. It is an electric single burner with handles, 1500 watt power, and the finish is stainless steel. I like stainless steel really much. 1500 watt power. This is high power. This is the latest hot plate. Is 1500 watt high power with 6 levels of precise temperature control. It meet all your cooking needs, such as to keep warm, boil water, or cook pastas or steaks, etc. It works with all cookwares. The hot plates works with flat cookwares such as frying pan, steak plate, stone pan, aluminium cookware, stainless steel cookware, glass cookware, ceramic cookware, etc. It is an exclusive heating tube technology inside, different from the traditional heating coil. The heating tube technology is more stable and anti-rust. It has improved heat efficiency by 20%, which means a longer service life and shorter cooking time for you at home. Heat insulate and portable handles. It is easy and safe to move anywhere with handles, perfect for parties, kitchen renovation, camping, outdoor activities, RV or dormitory. But note, the hot plate surface heats up when in use. Do not touch it directly. Use handles or glove for safety. And it is so easy to use. In this case, we have a Schuko plug. The Schuko plug is in Europe use, but inside the box you can see it is Schuko to another country translation tool in the box. That means if you have a range of, I think, 230 until 250 voltage, it is compatible. You can use it easily. 120 volt and 1500 watt high power. This takes 7 minutes to boil 1 liter of fresh water until it is boiling. This is fast and it's cheap because it is only one plate there. And it's easy to do, because it's portable. You have 6 power levels. Heat insulated switch knob. Low temperature 1 until 2 power level. Stir fry. This is a middle temperature. 3 until 4. Not fear. You do not have to fear about this plate. The plates are safe and easily. The middle temperatures from 3 to 4 power level, and deep fried, this is the high temperature area 5 until 6 power level. And we are going to, or you will see in the past, or in one moment in this video, how I am going to boil some fresh eggs. And I will start with deep frying, high temperature level until 6. And if the water is boiling, I will go back to 4 or 3. This is enough to keep your boiling water boiling. Yeah, it is easy and fast and nice. 7.1 inches burner ring for all flat cookwares within 7.5 inches. This is for nearly every cookware. The dimensions: easy to store, easy to carry, and this is on 3.0 1/8 inches up and 9.72 inches to 11.14 inches. These are nearly 30 centimeters to 25 centimeters, and the other dimension is 8 centimeters. This is enough, but it is portable to make fresh hot water, to make steaks, to make everything what you are looking for, to boil or to cook. Easy for caravanning, easy for outdoor, but it's not waterproof. Think about this. But you will need an AC adapter for it, or as AC plug, not an AC adapter. The AC adapter is inside this device, but you will need a power plug for it, and then it will work. It has no battery inside, of course. It is portable, but you will need an energy source. And it's stainless steel. This is awesome. It looks really nice, really beautiful, and functional. And it's cheap, and you can buy it in double function. This thing, it is able to get with 2 plates, of course. But I like the single version because it is an additional part for my kitchen, outdoor kitchen, to use it for some projects in the near future. So that it is a SUNAVO hot plates for cooking, electrical single burner with handles, 1500 watt and stainless steel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.